Your business generates and collects more data than you probably realize. Understanding the different types of data available helps you identify opportunities for analysis. Let's explore the major categories of business data and the unique characteristics. Structured data fits neatly into rows and columns, sales figures, customer records, inventory counts. Unstructured data doesn't. Emails, social media posts, images, call recordings. About 80% of business data is unstructured, yet most analysis focuses on structured data. Every sale, payment, and order generates transactional data. This is often your most valuable data source. It tells you exactly what customers do, not just what they say. Transaction history reveals purchasing patterns, seasonal trends, and customer preferences. Behavioral data captures how customers interact with your business: website clicks, app usage, email opens, store visits. This digital body language reveals intent and preferences that customers might not articulate directly. It's incredibly predictive. Demographic data describes who your customers are: age, gender, location, income, education. While less predictive than behavioral data, demographics help with segmentation and targeting. Combining demographics with behavior creates powerful customer profiles. Don't limit yourself to internal data. External sources provide valuable context: economic indicators, weather patterns, social trends, competitor activity, and market research. Combining internal and external data often yields the best insights. First-party data is what you collect directly, most valuable and privacy compliant. Second-party is another company's first-party data shared through partnership. Third-party is aggregated from various sources, convenient but raising privacy concerns and quality questions. Your business has access to structured and unstructured, internal and external, behavioral and demographic data. Each type has different strengths for analysis. Start by inventorying what data you have and assessing its quality and accessibility for your priority use cases. Next video: data quality and its business impact.